the BioGS 2.0 Air Purifier. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at another air purifier by Rabbit Air. This is the BioGS 2.0. I will go over specs, features, and then demonstrate some of the settings. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, a remote, and the air filters. There are two models of the BioGS 2.0, the 550A and 625A. We will be looking at the 625A. This weighs in at about 16.8 pounds, dimensions of 22.2 by 16.6 by 9.8 inches. This has a standard coverage of 625 square feet, and you can see the power consumption listed depending on the speed settings, along with the clean air delivery rate for pollen, dust, and smoke. This air purifier can filter out dust mites, mold, pet dander, pollen, VOCs, and bacteria. It has a simplistic and minimalistic space-saving design and can be good for the bedroom, home office, living room, just for some examples. The side and bottom have the air intakes, and the top you will find the air outlet. To access the filters, just lift up the front panel. You will also find the maintenance and filter instructions on the back of the panel. The first filter is the pre-filter, which will collect your large particles. Next, you have the activated carbon charcoal filter, which is good for reducing chemicals and household odors. And right behind that is the BioGS HEPA filter, which can trap mold, bacteria, and allergens. This also has an ionizer which can be toggled on or off. Filters can last up to 18 to 24 months depending on usage, and it will cost you anywhere from $54 to $80 depending on the filters you choose. On the top, you will find a variety of LED lights and controls. You have the air quality indicator, fan speed, air quality sensitivity setting, timer, ion generator, and filter life indicator. All these are visible once the front panel is attached and can be controlled by touch or the remote. Taking a look at the left side, you will find the air quality sensors, a convenient handle on the back, and also the holder for the remote. To turn on the air purifier, you can just tap the display and all the LEDs will light up. You will need the remote to control the timer and toggling the ionizer, but the other settings can be toggled with touch or just the remote. And this is how it sounds toggling through the settings. You will hear the beeps. Now I will cycle through the different fan speeds so you get an idea of how loud it is. I will have the decibel meter on the left. The BioGS 2.0 is an excellent air purifier. This does fall on the higher end price range. It's smaller compared to the -A2, which has more features, but this can definitely do the job. Having tested it for over a week, I found a considerable difference in the overall air quality in my home office. I do suffer from allergies, and I felt that it has helped. I like the overall simple design, and it doesn't take up much room. The air filter cost is not bad at all considering how long it can last. The only thing I would have liked to see is app integration. But other than that, I'm satisfied with the performance. So that's my review of the Rabbit Air BioGS 2.0 Air Purifier. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.